Hi, I'm Louis. I'm a vintage camera dealer based in the UK. I am just on my way to go to an auction viewing day, as there are quite a few lenses and a couple of other cameras that are going up for auction tomorrow. And as they're just with like a normal generalist auction house, I'm going to go and have a look and see if they're anything that I want to bid on, check if there are any fungus, and go and have a look at the quality of the items. So this is my wish list on the auction website. These are the things that I've highlighted as things that I definitely want to take a look at, things that I reckon I can make a little bit of money on. This is the auction itself. It's just a generalist collectibles auction. Let's have a little bit of scroll down here. It's quite a good camera section, quite substantial, but it is just a generalist auction. Here we are, there's lots available. I haven't highlighted all of the things that I think I want to look at. I've just highlighted some of the things where I think there could be a really good profit margin and also some really interesting items. So let's go to the auction and have a look. I'll give you a number in a minute. 481.
Thank you.
Lovely nose dishy.
Oh yeah. Okay, so it's now the following day, so it's just on the Contax 2, which was in poor condition and wasn't functional at all. Now, the estimate on that is 40 to 60. It's currently on 75, 80. So don't forget, there's be about 25 or 30% commission on top of this for the sales fees. £80, so what will that be? Probably, I don't know, maybe about 110 all in, which is way too much, I think, for that. We've got this one, 354. What have I got as my maximum bid on this one? £35. I've gone really low on this. I couldn't get the back off in the video. Dynamite.
40 now on Easy Load. Come back 5 if you want. 5 now we have 50. Top of their bids at 50 on Easy Load. 50 on Easy Load.
Up to 50, 55.
£35 easy there, show you the 5 over there. Are we done then? Top of their bids on easy
60.
leg 5 now, just back in time. You're here with us now, Sarah. Show me 60 easy leg.
It's not too bad.
5 now, Sarah.
It's reasonable, I'd say. What did I? Okay, so you join me at 360.
Come back 5.
These are ones that I decided that they weren't even worth bidding on a really low amount, just too much fungus. And they're currently on £95. I think what the thing is in working order, all of these lenses are worth quite a lot of money, which is why I went along just to go and check. Collectively, there was a few £1,000s there of like sale value, but not in the condition that they're in. This one 361 again. It was another lot that I passed on.
5 now, 80. And back again, 5 now, 90.
There would still be a little bit of money to be made though. I just think, you know, as a dealer, I'm constantly buying and selling things, and it's where do you want to place your money as an investment? And these aren't good investments. You will still make money, but they'll be slow to sell. If you're selling them on marketplaces like eBay or your own website, returns rate are likely going to be high because people are going to see them and not want them and return them. £150. Wow. 160.
Number 362 is up next.
I know, 150 that lot went for, sorry. Wow. Now, 362, I've got this one. This is a really rare lens. So I've bid low on it at 40.
Sorry, got permission interest and go in at £22. £22 and that 5 if you wish. 5 you have 8. I've got 25 down, easy like that. 28, 30. Where am I? I've got 30, sorry, and back. And back again if you want sale room, if you wish, £30 with me. Come back 35 then. Fair warning then. Sale room, you're not in the lead with me at £30. Fair warning.
Okay. First, possibly only win. I think that was good for 35. Did I just get that for? 30. So possibly 35 to 40, including all commissions and fees. I think there's probably 80 to £100 to be made on top of that. So not bad. Good buy. Really though, in an auction, I tend to usually win a few more lots than this, but today is not one of those days. Only one win for me today, just the Scottish lens. As this is my first video, I thought this might be a little bit more exciting than that. Usually on auctions, you're making a little bit more money out of that. You're winning a few more lots, but here and there, lots like this happen. I think really I would have bid a lot higher on all of the items had I gone to the viewing day yesterday and the condition of things were much, much better. I would have bid, I think when I priced everything up before going to the viewing day yesterday, had they all been in good condition and full working order, I estimated on the lots that I was interested in that I could have had a potential resale value of about 3,500 to 4,000, I think it was. Obviously, looking at it all, you can strike that down in half immediately due to the condition of most of the things, even less. So that really impacted my decision on my maximum bids. I came right down. Really, I was only looking to pay sort of spares repairs prices in auction today. And I only won the one lens, which is a good thing because, you know, having... So I hope that was somewhat interesting to you all. It shows you the reality, I guess, of being a full-time vintage camera dealer. Some days are like this, other days are a little bit more plentiful. Okay, so it's been a few days since the auction, and I've just received the box containing the lens. So let's open it. It's well packaged. Here it is, yeah, a little bit of fungus on the top there. But but the internals are quite good. They're a little bit dusty. I can't actually see any fungus on this from this angle, but I can remember there was a tiny little bit in there. But yeah, maybe that top might clean up a bit, but yeah, still very rare lens. But yeah, it just shows, like, I mean, when I priced it all up, I thought there could easily be, I think it was like 4,000 plus in profit just on that auction, because there was so many lenses there, so many nice vintage lenses like this one. But that's why it's, you know, the moral of the story is you should always go and have a look in person, particularly from generalist auctions. They don't really know what they're doing. You know, they want the photos to look nice. They want you to bid as much as you can. You need to go and see for yourself. And that was just a perfect example of it. There you go. You win some, you lose some. Here I am in my office at the moment. I'm not sure what videos that I may do next. I do have a large collection of about 150 cameras coming in within the next couple of weeks, so I might do a little bit on that. And maybe a few interesting arrivals that I might get in over the next few weeks. I deal with about 250 cameras a month. Most of it does go on eBay, but we do work with other dealers. We do work with some collectors as well, and some people I am sourcing for specifically. So if there's any content that you'd like to see specifically, let me know. Let me know down in the comments. I'm open to suggestions. This was my first video. I hope it went okay. And yeah, thank you for watching.